How to log into the KEB Hana Bank Korea. Google search for KEB Hana Bank Korea login and click on the first link that pops up right here. Once you click on this, then at the top you will see login, and you just want to select that button here. And once you click on login, it is going to take you to the login page for Hana Bank. Now again, we will click on login right here and give it some time to load. Now you can log in using an ID and password, and also you can log in using a digital certificate. Now here you will choose your preferred login method, and if you use your ID and password, you simply have to type them and click on login. And if you're using a digital certificate, then you will confirm from the bank's app. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.